I know that. You received a felicitation and then a burden came out. But still, your support, your strength, your wisdom stand with us. We are very grateful of you, sir. And may God bless you, and may God bless your family, and may God bless your walk. Thank you so much once again. So please, ladies and gentlemen, my beloved teachers, let us give a big round of applause to Sir, the Honorable Education Minister to the Government of Meghalaya. And now, we really want to hear a good thoughts and a very smart ideas, I must say. Namar pitip, habang ayaw hapo real hapo media, with due respect, Sir, the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, ngaong ani kajing keren kapasatar jang itay temen. With due respect, sir, I really like the strength you possess in your own. So, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister to share your thoughts. The mic is yours, sir.
Thank you so much, Mr. Chairman. The way you introduced me, I thought I should not talk anything else now. Friends, I don't want to take much time. Today we are here to inaugurate the first ever pay structure done by the Honorable Chief Minister, by Ba Rumboy, by Ba Mantri, where is the Mantri? And also by Ba Karshandi. This structure, I'm telling you, is so deep. Very deep. Last year, let me tell you one thing, we could not sleep well. Thinking how to structure the package of our beloved teachers. Both SSA, ad hoc, as well as food teachers. But let me tell you one thing. By the help of Almighty God, we were able to do it. It is not Conrad Sangma, it's not Preston. He's the one who made us happen. It has happened. And we are going to continue doing the right thing for the interest of the state. We are all here to witness the joyous moment that we have. My colleague ministers, Mr. Tidi Shira, Mr. Sanbor Shulai, he is also part of this celebration. Dr. Silimdo is part of this celebration. And the senior officers from the department are all here with all of you. My dearest teachers, thank you so much for collecting yourself over here. Thank you so much for the prayer you made. And please, I fervently request all of you, remember in your prayers, right from the Honorable Chief Minister, the cabinet colleague, all the MLAs of the state, and also the citizens of the state. Please remember in your prayer. Just to refresh your mind, my dearest teachers, as rightly said by your president, Pak Rembai, 2018, we were elected by the people of state, and ultimately we have to serve the state and take over the leadership of the government in the month of March 2018. Immediately after the budget session of 2018, I think the Honorable Chief Minister, he remembered it correctly, we immediately went to Delhi to meet the Honorable Union Finance Minister that time, late Jet Li. We went straight to his house. We sat down with him, and the Honorable Chief Minister that time, he placed the petition to the Honorable Finance Minister, Government of India, for releasing the pending salary of the SSA teachers, more or less about 300 crores that time. 300 crores that time. That was the first challenge that we had. And I'm so happy to remind all of you, just after 2 months, your pending salary was released. Then the second problem we have again, the arrears. Then again we had a meeting with the association. Then we took a decision that we will release it on installment basis. And ultimately that also was cleared. That was the starting point, that we prove our seriousness and our sincerity towards our beloved teachers. And my dearest teachers, therefore, today is the second milestone that you have. Menta kasngi kadai, kasngi kabansa jingkan mau, pateng la pateng. Balengaong kumta na marba. Kito kisngi, kisnem, kibanay, kibalalit no, kibangiong. Ba ka SSA scheme, kankut no, daki pawajar ngut kinong nikay, kalaban po'y kapor bakin yap tangan. Ar hajar arpusan, kum mga ong mene, yasyong haka meeting kejong iya kabinet, bat ke department, nakapor siya kapor, ban pentik na, bakata kajing artatin, bat kajing rit mensim kejong pi, bangin weg no, hadu bapin yasyong thai. And it has happened today. Nong bhikay ba it kane kalajiang yo iya kadur kakmat kabaput samrki jongpi. Namar balada piong sa kumnuro. Pinsyong thai. Kat kum kapor balabu bansyong thai. ngindanya keren. Ka face, ka balangay, ka bangina, ka komen, ka baginship. The third challenges that we have now is about the secondary and the higher secondary level. This is the next steps that we are going to take a decision, the toughest decision. Ngin penbit penbiang yaki secondary but ki higher secondary. Kini ki school ki bingi ong hakaketeng ka ad hoc kalak biang. Pras pa klur tam si nem mudon pingin pelut. Pras pa klur tam ngin pelut. Na kebentakan ni kala primary but ke upper primary level. Mentangis dang work out kumno bangin improve ngin penbit penbiang saya ka secondary but ke higher secondary. Ban ngangit stem. Lading ila ban le saya kini ki arteli. Ngangit stem baka jelame kala ajongi. Kan keladur. Pateng la pateng. Ngangit stem mapiginong hikay ba it. Pinya trelang ban ngi kum kasorkar. Ban pen urlong ya kani. Our Honorable Chief Minister, we shared from time to time. He said, he used to call me Awang. Desakuli ni kiperlok nong ikai karo, kamot iyu Awang. I call him Awang, he called me Awang. Because we have taken a decision that let us bring reformation for the secondary and the higher secondary. See, the blessing will keep coming to the state of Meghalaya. So, my dearest teachers, please work together with us. Togin ya tray shitom lang. Ngin ya tray lang. Pen-i ya kabalay. Namar ba hak jinglong breu mdei breu babiang lut na kli keja. Ngidon kam keji ya slok keji ya pliu jingmut keji ya tray lang. Ngai ba pinsu ben bet butei tu bomlong na kli kejat katala bakala. Namar ngai idon ki breu ki basngeu bakat kim don shu opertai. Babiang lut. Ngangan ong ya PM ngidei tang ki breu. Kibabon kisinduna. Tenrei tong ini keren. Ngin ya peleu jengmut. Balingi set up ya kene ke Education Commission. De kene ke sarkar ke long serious kamtam ya kapule puti. Ngidon mendaka commission. Bat kabang ibu ya ki members hak de commission ru ki de ki educationist. Ki professional. Kiban recommend ya kiba bon ki benta bangin transform ya ka education sector. Ban nilayo i ngan yo tu epi kinong hikabi. Nilayo i ya kejing kelado. Akan mau men last year when the MBOS exam was declared. Don kiba wak jat kiba ong ba kani malade kepet kotu. Banpoy hana di kita ki 90% ngalong pet kotu. Terreu chief minister jongi ki education department kala kumno. Ka publish kitu ke help book. Habi publish katu ke help book kayarap hadu katu. Kamtam yang isi nong kondong ngai ledai bangawat sekolah nong kondong ngastung tu pa. Hato opor ngong kabajar notes. Kabajar notes ya pas betrik dah kabajar notes. Don kiba thok kot kubor ngai i kiba ong hanabakan ne kamlong. Tengah ngaju ong i kiperlok kiba ong mlong kae kabalong. Sengoba pen i ken. Pinsu criticize long mo. Si bom long kae kabalong. pen i yêu Konrad pen i yêu Preston ka e ka balong bangin penlong atrai de kata ka bedon kam ten rei nga ong ye pi ka tu ka help book ka initiative ka bau chief minister kat ka education department ka sim kalong ka jingker khu ya ki kun samla jong ni khamtam hanong kendong pi bet biang man hakane result embos kalong ka jingker khu ka bakraw de nakakdaw mga ong ye pi menta ngi nakaliang ka sorkar hapok jengalam jong u Konrad Sangma ngin kta menta saya ka secondary bat ka higher secondary ko ki kebe ki kepala syai pidon station nong kendong ngim kwa ba pidia tu syade syasar silong herai pinya pas ke jing pule jong pinang ti namar haden bagi lapas ya ka higher secondary ki kon jongi kelapro ka jabing ke jongki ngi ki keme ki pa ke bawan anong kendong ka jings ngau du tia du dem teng teng ha ka juk ka bamenta la dengi hap an pa skuli ki kon jongi syasor shilong mangi ki keme ki pa teng teng ngim yo tia ngim yo dem namar ka jings neu ka basirkai kata ka de ki jing angnut jongi na ka sorkar ko kinong hikay ba i sywa bangan syong nga da kerpangat da kabas ngawrit tre sitom mapiro hakane ka primary level haka po primary level tre sitom met ban masim manobam kwa badyo i ba kajelame kala jongi kayo sispa na ka sispa haka jingnang ka jingtat ngakwa ban ong yapi ka jingkla haka jelajong kat sain kabala banyo i ya ke jingkla kaban nengkong kadai haka education sector ladangila ban penkela yakir kom trekam ban penjanai yaki polisi trekam haka bedai bat ka education sector ngakir men's camp baka jelami kelaya jongi kan keustet bat kan longru kawai nakistit kaban paunam hapo kari India jongi paroi sa sisin siya bangan syong ngai kable ya pi iway pa iway ublay try kenrat un kerku kerdo ya pi kinong hikay ba i baro ngada airu kajingaro kabakraw nakamenta ka association nakamenta ka SSA bat kumjuru namenta ki food teachers association kibia trei sitom ngasoban ong matongin nang ya trei sitom susu rengkat da ka jing ya sutu jing mutlang hapdeng jong pigin nong yalam jong ka association bat ka sorkar nakabentaban pentulun ya ki jing angnut jong ki pajba jong ki paro hakajala toble try kenat un kerku kerdo ya pi baro tolik suk lek sain bat ngal ngai scam ru baka first pay ka ba pio menta kasngi pin le ya thu kana haki kun jong pi hai ikme hai pa jong pi hai pana hai pasan jong pi ong yaki ka ba nengkong ka salary ka ba kayo ngadai ban pai ban aingu shute u ba jrong mdot kam ban aingu yu Konrad em yu ba rumbui em yau tei Balenga ong yote. Nama day utei ubani jerong. Ubasay yakinong yalam. Ndey yakinong yalam ban mi na ukap klau kapetap em. Usay yakinong yalam. Duay lem ba unang say susu. Yakinong yalam. Baka jela ka jongi. Kanlong. Kabak. Kakmatam. Hakiliang barok. Jong kayo kakot bat kajing start kajing nang kublay yapi siya jangu